This is an unboxing and setup of the Boost Mobile iPhone 16 Pro. Now, if you saw my video on the best deals for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you would know that Boost Mobile offered one of the most affordable promotions where you could buy the iPhone at full price from Boost, and it would actually include a free year of service. So that is exactly what I did for my personal iPhone. And I'm gonna be honest, I was so excited. I already unboxed this phone and got it set up. So in this video, what I'm going to be showing you is the activation process on the Boost Mobile network. We're going to figure out if this iPhone comes unlocked or if it is in fact locked to Boost Mobile, and yeah, basically how to get that free service promotion. If you're interested, towards the end of the video, I will also show you the process for getting the promotion where this device comes with a free year of service. So here's how the setup process works. You're going to get your iPhone, you're going to set it up like normal, and what you want to do is download the Boost Mobile application. And you're going to sign in to your Boost Mobile account that you created when you ordered your iPhone. So you're just going to enter the email address that you used for creating your Boost Mobile account. With your email entered, tap Go, and Boost is going to send you a two-factor authentication code, and you can actually conveniently fill that with the default Apple Mail app. And now you're going to be signed in to your Boost Mobile account. And this is the part where you should be able to go ahead and set up your iPhone. Yep. So the Boost Mobile app is automatically detecting your iPhone's IMEI, and now you're ready to activate eSIM on your new Boost Mobile iPhone. So tap yes, activate with eSIM now. You're going to have the option to either keep your current phone number or get a new phone number. So if you wanted to switch to Boost Mobile, you would keep your current phone number and you would just get your account number, your number transfer PIN, and your billing zip code from your old carrier, and you should be able to transfer that right over. I'm going to get a new number in this video because that is what works for me. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. I indeed am, so tap Wi-Fi is connected, and then tap Activate eSIM. And this is gonna download an eSIM profile with that new phone number onto your iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, or whichever iPhone 16 you have. And what's gonna happen is Boost Mobile is going to push an eSIM profile to your phone over Wi-Fi, and that will show up just as a notification here on the lock screen or also in the settings app. It may take a few minutes for this notification to come through. I don't know what goes on the back end, but just wait a few minutes and you should see that notification. Okay, I just got the notification on my device. That took about probably 3 to 5 minutes. And you can see the notification if you go to the notification center. And if you accidentally dismiss this or whatever, you can actually find it by going into the settings application, and there will be an option right here to set up cellular. So go ahead and tap set up cellular. This is going to activate your Boost Mobile eSIM on your iPhone, either with that new number or your existing number. And this may take a couple of minutes. And there you go. Cellular setup complete. You can now see reception bars and the status bar of your iPhone, and you can tap done. So you've successfully added your Boost Mobile eSIM. You can tap into cellular. You can see the new phone number that you were assigned, change the plan label, toggle Wi-Fi calling on or off, and you should be good to go. Of course, something I'm interested in is the cellular performance. So let's turn Wi-Fi off. Let's go home and let's dive into field test mode to see what we are connected to. And you can see this phone is connected to the Boost Mobile network. It says Boost, we have a standalone 5G connection. And how you can tell what cellular network you're connected to is actually with the network PLMN. So 313.340 is going to be the native Boost Mobile network. And you can tell when you're connected or roaming on either AT&T or T-Mobile based on the other PLMN. So Boost Mobile's PLMN is 313.340. If you're connected to AT&T, it will say 310.410. And if you're connected to T-Mobile, it will say 310.260. And that's how you can tell what network you're connected on with a Boost Mobile SIM card. And I guess it is worth mentioning, typically Boost will try to activate you on their native 5G network. But if you happen to be in an area that doesn't get the Boost Mobile 5G network, then you will either be activated on AT&T or T-Mobile, and you won't have roaming in that situation. It would be like you were on an AT&T only MVNO or a T-Mobile only MVNO. So activating on the Boost network is the only way you get those roaming agreements where your phone will default to using Boost 5G in areas where it's available, and in areas where it isn't available, that's where you'll roam on either AT&T or T-Mobile. So we're connected here. Let's do a few tests. How fast are the data speeds? We are indoors, and let's start test and see what kind of speeds and cellular performance we're getting here. We're not logged in, that's okay. I'll do that later. Looks like this is a challenging location, not gonna lie, for pretty much all the networks. I think the cell tower is just a little bit too far away, and we might even be between cell towers. So we're getting about 7.56 down right now and under 1 megabit per second up. Honestly, not great, but very on par with this specific location. Another question you may have is, what is the video streaming quality like on the Boost Mobile 5G network? You can find this out by using the Fast application. It's fast.com, owned and operated by Netflix. You're actually connecting to Netflix servers. And what this is measuring is the bandwidth from the Netflix servers. If you see speeds around 1.5 to 2 to 2.5, then that means your speeds are typically capped. And there you go. Oh, it actually jumped up. And that means video streaming quality is around 480p to maybe 720p. If you see around 4 megabits per second, then you're looking at 720p, maybe 1080p. 8 megabits per second is going to be 1080p, and anything higher will just be full speeds, full 4K streaming. And based on these numbers right here, it looks like we're getting 11 megabits per second down. So it looks like Boost Mobile is currently not throttling video speeds at all, which is excellent. And when I'm in an area with faster speeds, I'll be able to stream full 4K videos, no problem, on Boost Mobile on their native 5G network. So that is super awesome to see. Next question. Does this phone come unlocked or locked? You can figure out if your phone is locked or not by going to Settings, General, going to About, censoring out everything, scrolling down to Carrier Lock, and you can see this is SIM locked. So when you order an iPhone from Boost Mobile, it will be locked to the Boost Mobile network. However, their terms and conditions say you are eligible to get it unlocked immediately if you paid full price for it, so I'll be walking you through what that process looks like. First, let's go ahead and finish our setup process. So we downloaded our eSIM, we activated our number, so you can say, I got the eSIM notification, the eSIM is installed, finish setup, and let's just wait for this for a second. And there you go. Your service is active. They suggest restarting the phone. I don't think you really need to do that, but maybe it's not a bad idea. And now you're ready to explore the app. Okay, so how do you get your phone unlocked? Step number one is to go to my.boostmobile.com and set up your account PIN. This is a security PIN that Boost Mobile support agents use to verify your account. And so normally what you want to do is tap this hamburger menu in the top right-hand corner, but unfortunately that does not work on this main page right here. So what you want to do instead is tap View Bill History in the top right. And now that you're here, you can tap the menu in the top and then tap Account, and you're going to go to Settings. And this will bring you to your account settings, where you can tap the right arrow over here and go to Security. And now you have the option to edit your 4-digit PIN. So if you haven't set this up already, this will be blank, and you can create your 4-digit PIN, enter it, confirm it, and you can give yourself a little reminder on what your PIN is, tap Save, and now you're ready to contact Boost Mobile support. So once you have your security PIN entered, you can go ahead, open the Boost Mobile application, tap the chat icon in the top right-hand corner, and start a chat, and politely ask an agent to unlock your phone. Now, when I did this the first time, I was told I actually had to call Boost Mobile support. So hopefully the agents have been trained up and they can process device unlock requests over chat. But if for whatever reason that doesn't work, you may have to call Boost Mobile customer support. And I forget the number, so I'm just going to put the phone number on screen right now. And again, I'll leave this in the video description. But make sure you give Boost Mobile support a call and politely ask them to unlock your device. And if it turns out for whatever reason, the rep may not be familiar with what you're talking about, or they say you're not eligible to be unlocking your phone when really you are, kindly ask the representative to take a look at their recent unlock news alert, and that should hopefully provide them with more information. Or you can politely request to speak to an account specialist who has more experience and expertise on the matter. So hopefully this helps. You are eligible to get your phone unlocked if it's paid off in full, if you buy it from Apple and it's been 60 days, and that's it. All right. Now, if you're interested, how do you get this promotion? How do you get a free year of service from Boost Mobile? Well, you want to head on over to the Boost Mobile website, which I'll leave in the video description, and you can see right here, free year of service, no contract, no trade-in. You want to find this and click Shop Phones. In fact, I can actually probably link you directly to this page, and this is going to show you all eligible devices that are eligible to get this promotion. This includes the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro, 16 Plus, the regular 16. Looks like we have the Z Flip and Z Fold 6 devices, and even the iPhone 15 devices, and even some more affordable Galaxy phones, which is honestly not bad at all. So go ahead, select the phone you want. Let's say you want the brand spanking new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we'll click View Details, and now you're just going to configure everything, and you want to make sure you do this correctly. So pick your color, let's say Desert Titanium. Decline protection, I do recommend declining protection. You can actually get Apple Care directly from Apple, even if you do order from the Boost Mobile website, and it's just $10 a month, so definitely do that instead. Phone number, this actually doesn't matter because you have the option again when you are activating your phone, but I typically like to do new number, and then boom. Right here at the bottom, you want to click Pay Today, get a free year of service. And then Boost will show you the estimated ship date for your specific configuration. And if you were to change, let's say, the storage capacity and do the 1 terabyte model, you can see that has updated the estimated ship date. So let's go back to the 256. And all you want to do is select Pay Today, click Add to Cart. You're going to click I'll risk it because, again, you can get Apple Care cheaper through Apple. And now this is where you take advantage of the promotion. You have 3 options. You can either get the Boost Mobile Unlimited plan for essentially free. It's a $25 plan and you get $25 of bill credits, but you do have to pay taxes. My taxes are like $1 or $2, so it's $1 or $2 per month for Boost Mobile's Unlimited plan. This plan includes 30 gigabytes of high-speed data before your speeds are slowed. Although I have found if you activate on the native Boost Mobile network, sometimes they will give you up to 100 gigabytes of high-speed data before slowing down. Your second option is the Unlimited Plus plan. You could actually get this plan for 50% off and pay just $25 per month. For the extra cost, you now get hotspot data included, free international calling and texting, taxes and fees included, and you now get 40 gigabytes of high-speed data before Boost Mobile will slow your speeds down. And what's really cool is I believe you can use all 40 gigabytes as hotspot data. That's option number 2. Option number 3 is Boost Mobile's Unlimited Premium plan. You could grab this for $35 per month, which is honestly a very reasonable price. Again, you're getting hotspot, international talk and text. You now get North America Connect, which is free roaming in Canada and Mexico. Taxes and fees are included, and you get bumped up to 50 gigabytes of high-speed data before your speeds are slowed down. And I believe, again, you can use all 50 gigabytes as hotspot data. Now, something worth noting here, Boost Mobile is advertising this data as premium data, and maybe it's premium if you're connected to the native Boost Mobile network, but if you are roaming on AT&T or T-Mobile, then your speeds will be deprioritized. I don't think that's a big deal, but it is worth noting. If you want the free service, go ahead and select the unlimited option for $0 a month, which will be like $1 or $2. And then all you're gonna do is review your order, click continue to checkout, and then once your cart loads, you can enter all of the billing information, including your billing address and shipping address and your account info. And this is where you enter your email address for creating your Boost Mobile account. You can see I already have a bunch of them here. And then the phone number, it doesn't matter if this is your current phone number, someone else's phone number. This is effectively just to contact you about your order. And that's it. And you can see you're getting the discount $25 off for 12 months automatically applied. And that is how you get the Boost Mobile free year of service promotion. I'm Stetson, and I hope this has been helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.